for the fame. Louis Vuitton, I'm in my bag. My memory gone, I've been hurt at.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Foxy posted a leak about some car coming this weekend. It says, a new licensed brand will come out and take storm this week in CDT. Are you ready to take this track monster out and win some races? The research that I did on this car told me that it is a leading luxury car brand that is made by the Volkswagen Group. Let me know you all's thought about it down below. Here is a quick tour of the map expansion Foxy released early. If this video was interesting or helpful, consider liking and subscribing as we are on our way to 200 subscribers. See ya in the next one. Peace.